everyone, this is Joanna with Beijing Hongli Corporation. Today I show you the new coming Fundus camera FC-200. Now I open the box. So among the accessories you can see the charging base and the adapter for charging, the charging cable, and the eyepiece. And this is the camera body. And the Fundus camera FC-200, you can see it is the 4.7 touch screen. So before you use, you have to remove the cover, and you have to add the eyepiece on the camera tube. And also you can see this is a button to take picture or take videos. And this is the dial to adjust the focus, so you can see a clear image via the adjustment. This is the FC-200 Fundus camera. It is a 4.7 touch screen. This button is for taking videos or taking pictures. And 3 port. This is USB port. This is Type-C port. This is micro USB. And here is the focus adjustment dial. You can adjust the focus by this dial. And before you use, you remove the cover and add the eyepiece on the tube. Now I have switched on the Fundus camera FC-200. So here it is 4.7 touch screen. So it can be touched. So there are total 5 icons on the left side. Also there is 5 icons on the right side. First here is the option to switch totally 3 options, 3 color modes. So you can see the difference here. And this button to switch the option to take videos or take pictures. And the pinch. You can zoom in or zoom out. High definition, HD, means high definition. And the left eye. Here is the right eye. And here is to create the info of the patient, like the name, the ID, also the sex, etc. And here, the medical records. If you take the pictures or videos, this will be shown here. And this is the fixation light. You can choose 1 light or total 5 lights here. You can see 5 lights here. And this is the settings. You can see the hospital setting, DICOM, VLAN hospital setting, PC, wireless system setting, and version information are all listed here. And here you can choose left eye or right eye. Okay. This is the setting page. So I will show you one by one. First, the hospital setting. You fill in the hospital name or the doctor name here. And DICOM setting. You can see the information here. And the W-line hotspot setting, you can switch on or switch off. And the PC wireless projection. And the system setting here, you can connect Wi-Fi. Okay, connected. And you can also connect Bluetooth. And also you can choose the language. Here supports language in English and Spanish or Chinese. And also the date and time setting. Now I show you how to transfer the pictures or videos from the Fundus camera to your phone timely. So you choose a picture first, and you choose the option of share. And you can see an app in Chinese named Shanchuan, and you touch it. And before that, you have to download the app too on your phone. It's a Chinese name, Shanchuan, and I open it. And on the Fundus camera, you can see a barcode, so you can choose and scan the barcode on the Fundus camera. Now I show you how to use the Fundus camera. Before you use, you need to add the eyepiece and adjust the focus adjustment dial to see a clear image. Move closer to the eye and press the button to take a picture. Fundus camera FC-200, 12 megapixel built-in camera, field of view up to 50 degrees, autofocus and auto image capturing. Manual image capture is also available. 4.7 touch screen, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth available too.